Welcome everybody to this new video Tech Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up Google Analytics. Into a previous video, we actually created an actual website using googlesites.com. What I'm going to be doing here today is to take advantage of this actual website so we can implement this website and track all of the conversions and the insights as an example so we can use this for Google Analytics. So let's assume this is the actual website I want to track. And here I'm going to go and type analytics.google.com. This one should be sending us directly into the analytics web of Google. So what you want to do is to make sure that you have an actual website already been created and your Gmail already been enabled. So first of all, I'm going to change with my Gmail account, and as you should see, we are now inside all my actual elements of analytics. Now sometimes it's going to be asking you, of course, to sign in or to create an account. If you don't have an account, you might be seeing something different. So first of all, I'm going to go here into the configuration, go for create, and go for an account. You might be seeing something like this. So here, let's say for example that I'm going to be typing the name of my account. I want to make sure that I have the technical support, the account specialities, and modeling contributions. Now I hit now into next, and the property name, in this case I'm going to go once again for Coviso/Google Sites. I wanted to make sure that I am tracking the information of Google Sites. The reporting and the currency are accurate, so I'm going to just leave this like that. Choose a small. My industry should be let's say go for next. Now my business objectives is to see to raise brand awareness and to generate a few leads. I go for create, and now I accept the processing terms and I go for accept. Now it's going to be asking us how we wanted to collect your data. What you wanted to do is to choose the platform. If this is an iOS application or Android app or a website. In this case, this is an actual website. So it's going to be asking me to import my website URL. So what I do is just to copy and paste my website here. Now I'm going to go and create my stream. And there we go. This is the last part when you wanted to just to make sure that these track instructions are inside your website. So almost any kind of website is going to be asking you to install this Google tag by just copying it and paste it into your coding of your website. If you wanted to do this much more faster, and if you have the element to add an streamed ID, just copy the measurement ID and paste it into your website. Since this is an actual Google site, what we just do is to go here inside my analytics and I paste my measurement ID and I enable those. And of course, I wanted to publish my website and we're actually good to go. Now I scroll a little bit down and I make sure that all of my elements has now been correctly added. If I scroll a little bit down here, you should see that my Google tag, my tag instructions, there's no data received yet. So this might be taking up to 48 hours to add it. So what we can do now is just to go for view track instructions to see what we can do next. I go for the X mark. My data collection is now being pending. So we have successfully created the account in the property. We just needed to wait a few hours before our property starts collecting the data. And after that, you should be seeing something like this. The data has been received into your website. You can see the users, the conversion, the currently staffed, reports, your insight, exploring, and check out the brand awareness and all of that. So guys, it actually is really simple to get started here into the actual Google Analytics. So just in case you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section so we can all get started totally for free, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully we can all see you next time. And well guys, don't forget to like and subscribe once again. See you soon.